Milkalicious definition making y'all go loco.
I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, I have got a crazy sweet tooth and I love seeing new products come out. So this is going to be a fun one. Alright? We have got the Hershey's Milkalicious candy today. You get 2 bars and it is milk chocolate with creamy chocolate milk filling. Alright, we got a little something going on here. It looks like the candies are shaped like little moo cows, so that's fun as well. So I'm excited for this one. It's extra creamy. Let's just get right to it, man. I'm salivating. Let's see what this Hershey's Milkalicious is all about. Oh. Alright, so this is actually what it looks like. You see, I think I should give you guys an extreme close-up of this just so you can understand what this looks like. I thought it was like little tiny pieces that are about that big. Let's get an up-close look at this moo cow stick. See? Look at that. Little moo cows. Over the lips, past the gums, look out stomach, here she comes. Milk chocolate with chocolate milk filling. Not gonna lie to you, ladies and gentlemen, it tastes like a candy bar. It's definitely a creamy filling, but it tastes just like a regular Hershey's candy bar. Perhaps a little bit creamier than a regular Hershey's bar, but I don't know, maybe I was just thinking that it tastes more like chocolate milk. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. I mean, this is good. It's a creamy candy bar. And I like creamy milk chocolate for sure. I ain't into that dark chocolate crap. Definitely worth a try. I don't know about the chocolate milk filling, calling it that, but it's just like a creamy milk chocolate, but not chocolate milk. If that makes any sense. These are good. It's fun shaped. So yeah, I enjoyed that. Cool. Hershey's Milkalicious. Supersonic approved. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright. It is extra creamy, that was for sure. Alright guys. Real sweet, real quick. Real sweet, real quick. Real quick, real sweet, and to the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Peace! I'm out of here.